Hello everyone, welcome to the science class. Today we are going to continue the same chapter 5, Force, Energy and Simple Machine. In this video, we are going to learn about energy. Children, why do we need energy? We need energy to do any work. हमें एनर्जी की आवश्यकता क्यों होती है? किसी भी कार्य को करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी की आवश्यकता होती है. Children, what is work? कार्य क्या है? To do anything is called work. किसी भी चीज को करने को कार्य कहते हैं. Let's look at some beautiful slides about energy. According to science, work is done only when a force is applied on an object and moves it through some distances. Energy. We need energy to do our work. We need energy to lifting a load, for running, for climbing, for reading, etc. Different forms of energy. First, electrical energy. Electrical energy is used to light up our homes, schools and offices. We also use electrical energy to run appliances such as refrigerator, air conditioner, mixer grinder, geyser and electric fans. Next, wind energy. Children, what is wind? Moving air is called wind. The energy possessed by moving air is called wind energy. Have you seen a windmill or a wind farm? What is the use of windmill? Wind energy is used to move the blades of a windmill, which further helps the generating electrical energy. Solar energy. What is solar energy? The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Solar energy is used to many ways. It is used to heat water in solar water heater. This is the picture of solar water heater. It is used to cook food in solar cooker. Kinetic energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. For example, flowing water, moving vehicles and moving ball, etc. Potential energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called potential energy. For example, a stretched rubber band, a stretched bow, etc. all possess potential energy. Hydro energy. The kinetic energy of flowing water is called hydro energy. It is used to generate electricity in hydro power plants. This is the picture of hydro power plant. The electricity generated from flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Sound energy. Sound is a form of energy produced due to vibration in an object. In musical instruments like guitar, when someone plays the guitar, the string vibrate and transmit energy. That energy is called as sound energy. Heat energy. Heat energy is a form of energy which flows from a hot object to a cool object. For example, children, what happens when we stand out in the sun for some time? Does our body feel warmth of the sun? Yes, it feels. This is because of the heat energy. Children, I hope you understood this topic very well. With the remaining part of the same chapter, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.